Okay, well, it's Tech Tuesday once again, and we've got another great question. This one comes from Pat D. And the question is, how many stitches per year is normal on an embroidery machine? She's got 3 million on hers, and she's had it for about 5 years. Okay, so good question. For residential sewing machines, both the small frame and large frame that we have here, it is, in our experience, that they should run right around, no more than about 2 million stitches a year. So if you sew a lot less than that, great. If you sew more than that, that's a little taxing on the machine. But generally speaking, most people don't even come close to 2 million stitches. There are some exceptions, however. In this case, we've got this Intrepid here. This, I believe, is a 6-needle or 10-needle machine as well. Generally speaking, more of those commercial type machines are comfortable going up to about 40 million stitches per year. Okay, so in summary, to answer your question a little better, Pat, 3 million stitches in a course of 5 years really is not that bad if you had your machine serviced annually. Robert, our senior technician, has a great saying, the grease and the oil that's in the bearings and cams either dries out or flies out in the course of a year.
She ordered
good question.
The